change my artistic wall into a new title, a title appropriate for um, what you want it to be. For example, my children's party. And your description is telling about 6 children. So that's your description, and you see it automatically appears here, including your description. For your wallpaper, you may choose different styles. I'm going to use something more homey. Scroll down, going to use home by 7. Let's see, that's my wallpaper. And now I am going to go back and choose the post color, the font style for the post, and then the icon. There can be an icon appearing somewhere here. If I choose something like suppose this one, so it's there, and then I go back to other settings. Attribution means the author the author's name will appear above each post. I'd like to turn it on, and whether the new post appears first or last. If it's a new post, it will appear here for this setting. And then I have not tried profanity filter yet, and this one require a moderator to approve a post before it shows up for others, just like Facebook. And then allow viewers to comment on posts if you want this be enabled. And then the comments can be graded or starred or voted or liked. Now, let's say I like it be liked. And then you can make some tags. For example, if it is about home, it's about it's about love, it's about laughter. Okay, and your address, you may change this code into a more specific one. I'd like to use, let's say, Miranda's family. So that will appear as the address of my Padlet. So I click next and then start posting. So here, that's Miranda's family as this is now my address, the website address that I can share with people I want to be part of this project. So I start posting. I click here plus, then I start posting. Say hello. We had breakfast outside. And then I'd like to type in a link. It's for example a document from my drive or from YouTube, from blogs, articles, or anything that has a link can be entered here. So, for example, I want um, somewhere coming from my Google Drive. For example, see, I want to choose um, a photo. It might be relevant now, but let's just try one. Let's say this one, this image. I would like to get it its link. So I right click it again. I'm going to right click and then get shareable link. And that link has been copied to um, clipboard. So I'm going to paste it here and save. So I now have access to that photo there. Oh, it's there. Okay. So that's my first post. I can I can set it as cover if I want. And now I would like to send it to my friend and say, please add something that you have captured during the birthday party. So I'll send it, for example, to a friend. Say I have a friend named Chepoy Miranda, and then I will click it. I will copy paste it there, and you see, it appears there. Oops. It's the cover now. So if he would like to access it, he will just click on it, and then it will take him to this site. Now, okay, let's try. Click, and there. It's loading. Miranda's family. So this is the website. So there. Now you may save it as a document if you want. You may export it in different um, file types. Example, a photo or image, PDF, CSV, and Excel spreadsheet, or you may print it right away as a document. Let's try save as PDF. You will ask if for the um, page format, if you want it to be A4 and portrait, and then um, it's now rolling down, saving as PDF. So now you have a um, printed version of your Padlet. So this appearance depends on um, your Padlet style. Now going back to managing your Padlet as one, you may also edit some privacy, like if you want it to be a secret, if you want to change the privacy, like you want to provide password for them to access, if it is private, it cannot be searched anywhere. Um, Only those with link will be given. If it's secrets, that's pretty much the same. If it is public, it can be searched by any user of Padlet. So when visitor enters your site, they can either you can provide them um, you can provide them three three different roles. They can just read, they cannot post anything, they can edit and add posts. This one is just view and add posts. So depending on the privilege that you want your visitors to have, you just choose from the three. So what else we have here? You may also copy link to clipboard, which is just similar to um, highlighting this, and then send it to someone you want to access it and get a scannable code, or embed in your blog or your website. It's pretty much like copying the link and then putting it into your own website. So that's how you manage your Padlet. I hope you learn a lot from this video. Thank you.